I am so proud of the American bikers who roared into Washington, D.C. on 9/11. They stopped cold yet another attack on America by Islam. Thanks to those patriots on wheels, the planned Million Muslim March fizzled into the 20 Muslim March. September 11, a day when we remember and mourn for thousands of people that we saw burned to death, crushed like insects, falling to their deaths from the flaming World Trade Center. Of all the days for Muslims to choose, that was the worst. They wanted to shame America for perceived fear of Muslims. But the message they sent was that they have no respect for the United States or our citizens. It was yet another jihad attack, and the fact that they did it on 9/11 tells me they are sympathetic to the mass murdering terrorists who flew the planes into the towers. Now, to be fair, I also want to thank the Muslims who intentionally stayed home from that march because they recognized the disrespectful tone of it. Thank you. And shame on the Washington, D.C. government who blatantly violated the constitutional rights of those bikers by denying them a permit to ride. No American ever has to ask permission from the government to exercise their free speech. The bikers' response to D.C. was, "Permits? We don't need no stinking permits," and ride they did. Those bikers turned a day of mourning into something we can all be proud of, and taught us a valuable lesson. Taking a stand works. Speaking out against shameful behavior works. One of the reasons the enemies of freedom have gained so much influence is because we sat by silently when they demonstrated and protested and rioted for things that we knew were wrong. And now they are dragging our entire nation down into the filth. I challenge every American to learn from what those bikers did in D.C. Get ready, America, to go out and meet the enemies of freedom in the streets, face to face. Those who do shameful things should be shamed. Perhaps when they hear that we're coming, they'll do what the Million Muslim Marchers did and not even show up. This is Wild Bill for America. Thank you for watching, and America bless God again.